Custom Fields Overview. Custom fields in TaxDome help you efficiently store, organize, and manage client information across the system, allowing you to add details beyond standard fields. There are two types. Account custom fields. These fields store details related to companies or families, such as industry type, number of employees, or office phone number. Contact custom fields. Applied to individual contacts, these fields store personal information such as an additional phone number or preferred call time. Even if you're working with individual clients, it's best to store personal details here because these fields can be used for both individuals and businesses without needing modifications. To prevent data entry errors, custom fields have predefined types. For example, a number field won't accept letters. Custom fields in TaxDome give you the flexibility to store key client details, like estimated tax payments, exactly where you need them. Moving from another system? No worries. Custom fields ensure all your client data transfers seamlessly, even the details TaxDome doesn't include by default. They also take your communication to the next level by personalizing bulk emails, messages, and invoices with client-specific information automatically. Need to customize invoices? Simply add account-specific details to PDFs your clients download for a clear, professional touch. To start using custom fields in TaxDome, follow these 3 steps. First, create custom fields. Add them manually in the portal or in bulk when importing client data. Second, fill them out. Update details manually in the client profile or import data from completed organizers. And third, use them across the system. Apply them to invoices, job titles, email templates, and more for a seamless workflow. You can manage all custom fields in the Custom Fields page. From there, you can create, edit, delete, or reorder them. If a field is labeled Sync to CRM, it means its values can be updated via organizer responses. Clicking on it will show which organizer templates are linked. Even if a template doesn't have automatic sync enabled, you can manually select specific fields for syncing.